How to set up Wise Borderless account for transfers. Welcome! In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to set up a Wise Borderless account to make international transfers simple and efficient. Step 1. Open the Wise app on your mobile device or visit the Wise website. Log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Balances section. This is where you manage your different currencies and account settings. Tap on the option labeled Open a Balance. This feature allows you to activate a borderless account in different currencies. Select the currency you'd like to receive and hold money in, such as US dollars, euros, British pounds, or others. You can repeat this step for multiple currencies later if needed. After choosing a currency, Wise will generate local bank details for that currency. You can use these details to receive payments just like a local. Your Wise Borderless action is now ready. You can begin sending or receiving money internationally using your new account details. It's that easy.